Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel Learn Math with Badar. Today's topic is about probability. So what the probability is, like how likely something is to happen. In general way we can say that number of ways it can happen divided by the total number of possible outcomes. That's the basic definition of probability. So we look at with example, that is tossing a coin. So when a coin is tossed, there are two possibilities, which is head and tail. So if the question is like this, the probability of the coin landing head, what will be the probability? So it will be, there will be just one possibility of head, and it will be 1 out of 2, because total outcomes are head and tail, which is 2, and the possibility of coin landing for head is 1 out of 2. Now the probability of coin landing for tail, that's also the same, 1 out of 2, because head possibility, if it's a 1, so the landing for tail is also the same, one possibility, so it will be 1 out of 2. Now let's move on the next example. Dice. You have one dice, and in one dice there are, how many faces of digits are there? 6. And what will be the total possible outcomes are 6. So the probability of any of them rolling of dice is any of the number they are asking, like 4, 5 or 6. The probability for that would be 1 out of 6. Let's look at the example. The chances of rolling a 4 with a dice. So if you're rolling a one dice is rolled, and they're asking about how many chances of 4 will come, so you write the probability for that. It will be, because total possibilities we know, if you are rolling one dice, so it has 6 possible outcomes, and 4 will come just once in the dice, so it will be 1 out of 6. Now let's look at another example. There are 5 marbles in a bag, 4 are blue and 1 is red. What is the probability that a blue marble gets picked? So first of all we have to check how many total possibilities are. So total possibilities are 5, total outcome is 5, and then they are saying 4 are blue, 1 is red. In question what they are asking, what is the probability that a blue marbles get picked? So blue marbles get picked, here blue are 4, so probability of blue marbles get picked is, probability of blue marble is equals to 4 out of, total possibilities were there 5, so 4 out of 5, and that's our answer. If you like the video, so subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.